In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly reschedule an appointment using your Fresha dashboard. This step-by-step guide will make the process simple and efficient, ensuring you can seamlessly manage your appointments with just a few clicks. First, you're going to want to go ahead and open your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your appointments. Once you're in, take a look at your list of appointments. You can click on any appointment that you have already made. Now, this is where things get interesting. A pop-up will appear, giving you more details about that specific appointment. On this pop-up, you'll notice some options. Pay close attention to the three dots located next to the Save button. These dots are your gateway to further actions for managing your appointments. Upon clicking these three dots, you'll be presented with a few different options. Here, you need to choose the Reschedule option. This allows you to modify the timing of your appointment to better suit everyone's schedule. Now it's time to choose a new time for your appointment. The flexibility offered here is fantastic. You can opt for any time of the day that is more convenient. Take a moment to consult your calendar or check with the client if needed to ensure that the new time you select is ideal. Once you've settled on the perfect time, go ahead and click Reschedule again to confirm this new timing. And there you have it. You've seamlessly rescheduled your appointment. This intuitive process not only saves you time, but also adds a layer of convenience to your scheduling tasks. It really is as simple as a few clicks. By following these steps, you ensure that you can keep everything running smoothly without any hiccups or hassles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to simplify your digital management